What's up, tubers? What's up? Juiced bikes, hyper scorpion and regular scorpion riders, owners. So, you got your new bike and your Derailer shifter. It's on the left side because your throttle's on the right. And it's upside down, right? When I first saw that on a YouTube review before I got my bike, I'm like, China. And then I started thinking about it a little bit more once I received the bike. Now, think about this real quick. How did this happen? Juice is sourcing off-the-shelf products for their bikes. That does not mean that this is a true Shimano part. Very good odds, probability that these are cloned, copied Chinese knockoffs, and Juice Bikes doesn't even know it just because China operates that way, right? Because you've got 7-year-old Chinese girls in a slave labor camp assembling these bikes, parts by parts by parts, and they ship them together, and then Juice assembles the pre-assembled parts. The Chinese numbers don't look like our numbers. If you saw a Chinese number 1 through 8, you would know what the hell it is. You would know if it's a letter, a character, a word, a number, and these 7-year-old Chinese girls, they do not know either. All that aside, none of this matters. First off, when you're riding, the way this is positioned, you've got to be horizontally on here with a line of sight to read that number. Numbers are not that important to you. Get out and ride and have a good time, okay? What's important when you're shifting is the feel of the pedals. Are you pedaling too fast? Are you pedaling too slow and steady? So if you're pedaling too fast, or you're pedaling too slow, you need to change gears. The question is, do you need to shift up or shift down? Up shift, down shift. Now, if you look at the sprockets here, in the chain, the littlest sprocket is your high gear, and the big sprocket is your low gear. Big one's like first. The little itty bitty one, that's 8th gear. So when you're riding and you're out having a good time, I'm riding, I'm having a good time. Oops, I got a little bit of a hill, I got a little bit of descent, I need to change gears. The question is, do you need to go up or do you need to go down? This is where the setup of this is actually very intuitive for me. If I need to go to a bigger sprocket, that means up. Up on the shifter. If I need to go down to a higher gear, a smaller sprocket, I go down on the shifter. It's very intuitive. It makes so much sense to me. And from there, I don't care if it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. If I need to look, I can look back like this. I can look under like that and see where I'm at and see the physical position of the chain on the derailleur. I don't need to come down here and look at that. It's all about feel. So stop worrying about it. We have enough problems in this world that we need to fix. And if you're like me, God, I hope you're not, you got enough problems in your own house that you need to fix. All right, man, I hope this helps relieve your anxiety about an upside down shifter and helps you to up shift, down shift, lower gear, higher gear. It's very easy. Think about it. You will get used to it. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you, man.